Welcome back. This is Anish from A Square Solutions. Today's video is very important, not because we are building something complex, but because we are building something powerful. In this entire playlist, I have shown you how to build website, how traffic works, how monetization works, how dashboards connect, how systems generate income. But today we are doing something different. We are going to build an AI video generation website, and we are going to build it with zero investment. Yes, zero, like Vercel, zero investment, Supabase. These are the tools which we have to use, and authentication, API, storage, payments, everything zero investment. Okay, so this is not a dream, this is not a fantasy, this is called leverage. Many people think online income requires huge investment, but sometimes the biggest investment is understanding. Let me ask you something. Do you know oxygen existed before humans discovered it? It was always there, but still someone understood it. It was useless. The, the internet is the same. Opportunities exist, but without understanding, they remain invisible. Today, I will show you how to see. Now, here is the idea. We build a simple website. Users comes, they enter a prompt, like just create a video on dump. The system generates a short AI video. They download it. Simple. Now let's think like entrepreneur. Why would someone use this? Because content creators need videos, Instagram needs videos, YouTube Shorts need videos, businesses needs promotional clips. Content is oxygen for the internet, and video is the most powerful form of content. Now, here's the smart part. We do not start by spending money. We start by validating demand. There is proverb, do not build a palace before testing the land. We test first, then we grow. Now, this is Vercel. What is Vercel? In simple words, it hosts your website. Think of it like land. If your website is a house, Vercel is the land of your Vercel is the land your house stands on. Without land, your house floats in imagination. Now look at this. So this is the free tier. Okay. In this also you can import your repo, deploy in seconds, automatic CI/CD, web application firewall, global automated CDN, fluid compute, DDoS mitigation, traffic and performance insights. So for beginners, this is more than enough. When do we upgrade? When traffic increases, when users grow, when revenue comes. So minimum upgrade costs later, and that's around $20 per month. So in Indian, it will gonna cost around 1,000 to 2,000 per month. And if you're earning 50,000, like if you're earning $1,500 or $2,000 per month. So this is not an expense. This is fuel. There's difference between cost and investment. Cost reduces money, investment increases money. Now this is the Supabase. Okay. Now this is Supabase. What does Supabase do? It stores data, user emails, user videos, login information, everything. Think of it like a digital warehouse. If Vercel is the land, Supabase is the warehouse storing goods. Without storage, your system collapses. Again, Supabase you can see in the start for free. So no investment and you will get unlimited API requests, 50,000 monthly active users, 500 MB database size, shared CPU, 500 MB RAM, 5 GB of address, 5 GB of cached address, 1 GB file storage, community support. So when does cost begin? It's again zero. So when users grow heavily, maybe then you can upgrade it and it's gonna cost you around like $25 per month. But again, only after growth, after the growth. Notice the pattern. We spend after validation, not before. Now you can see the authentication here. Authentication means login system, email login, Google login, user verification. Why is this important? Because identity is currency online. If you do not control identity, you do not control your platform. So this is also free again, no investment. Now I want you to notice something. Technology today is democratized. You do not need millions to start, you need clarity. Now we talk about AI generation. Most beginners make a mistake, then try to integrate expensive AI APIs immediately. No, first we mock. Mock means simulate. We create a fake generator that produces sample videos. Why? Because we are validating demand. If 500 people sign up, then we integrate real AI. Like there is a proverb, test the water before diving. So like smart builders validate first. So here you can see the storage. So storage is where videos live and free tier gives limited space, but for starting it's enough. After scaling, maybe like when uh, we get the growth, then we will upgrade it, but only if traffic justifies it. Remember, revenue must lead expense, not the other way around. Now for the payments, we can use Razorpay or we can use Stripe also. So these are the gateways. Okay, payment gateways do not charge rent. Okay, they charge commission per transaction. That means you earn first, they take a small percentage. Fair system. You do not pay monthly for nothing. You pay when you grow. This is intelligent infrastructure. Now, like user user visit website, user signups, user enters video prompts, system processes request, a video saved, users download. Simple. Online income is not magic, it is automation. When automation solves problems, income follows. Let me say something clearly: income is not created by excitement, it is created by structure. Now, suppose you are stuck, you do not know how to structure backend. So, you can just ask with your co-pilot, whether it is your ChatGPT or Grok or uh, any generative AI. So you do not know how to structure backend. So just type or give the prompt like create a next JS structure for AI video generator using Supabase. Now you can see user next JS UI API wrote Supabase DB job created. So everything it's created, the project structure, the Supabase database schema, like the structured way, credit tables, webhooks log, everything. So this is not cheating, this is productivity. Tools amplify intelligence, they do not replace thinking. And if you want deep understanding of prompts, watch my ChatGPT Masterclass 2026 video. There I explain strategic prompting. Okay. Now, so in the phase one, what you can do, you can start everything with no investment, zero investment. Means you just need to work. And in phase two, so phase one is build free MVP, and phase two is the validate demand. Okay, and phase three is monetize. So in validate demand, collect emails, see engagement, and in phase three, in monetize, like uh, you can give the subscription for upgradation of like $1 per download, uh, if they just gone through from their free trial. If you have that much of traffic, then just go for it. Or you can give them like $50 monthly subscription or $100 monthly subscription. In that you can give the uses also, or you can give the freemium model subscription also. And in the phase 4 you can scale, like in phase 4, that is the scaling or scale. So upgrade infrastructure, run ads, add affiliate tools. Okay, SEO. This is how business grow, not overnight, brick by brick. Rome was not built in a day, but it was built. So stage one is like zero investment, no investment. And in stage two, if If you are going to upgrade yourself, then it will gonna cost you around uh, like 50 to $100, and in stage not 50 to $100, it's 20 to $30 or $40, and in stage 3 it will gonna cost you like 100 to $120. But by then revenue should exceed cost. If it does not, then system needs fixing. Business is mathematics, not emotion. All right. So website alone does not make money. Traffic makes money. And traffic comes from SEO, YouTube, social media, email marketing. That is why in this playlist I explained analytics, search console, AdSense, automation, scaling, systems connect. Isolated tools fail. Connected connected systems win. Online business is not gambling. It is engineering. If money grew on trees, we would be we would all be gardeners. But money grows in systems, and systems require patience. So if you need help building systems like uh, SEO, AI tools, automation, web development, or any IoT services, visit our website, submit your request. My team will respond. We've built real infrastructure, not illusion. Knowledge without execution is entertainment. Knowledge with execution is income. Choose wisely. Subscribe if you want real system. Comment what systems you want next, and remember, it is real, but only if you build. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Take care.